We got all sorts of crazy thunder, so hopefully I can get through this without messing up. I don't know if that's being picked up, but hey, what's up everyone? Danny here. The next build video is right around the corner, so you know what that means. It's time to guess the specs. If you're new around here, that's where I show you one of the benchmarks from the upcoming build video, and I also give you the details to the settings that I'm running the benchmark at. And it's your job to try to guess what hardware I put in the system. So that's the graphics card, the CPU, the amount of RAM, and if you want to, try to guess how much this total system costs. But you're going to do this by looking at how it performs in the benchmark by looking at the on-screen system monitoring. So you're looking at how much the GPU and CPU is being utilized. You're looking at clock speeds, which will sometimes have overclocks in them. You're looking at RAM usage, all that good stuff. So this is just to kind of have fun and test your knowledge and kind of get some audience engagement. And what I always do is I pick one random comment from someone who guessed in the comment section, and they win a $20 Steam gift card. But this time there will be two winners for $20 Steam gift cards, one each, because the last video when I did this, the winner, Ramil Khan, he was generous enough to pass along the prize to the next person. He said he didn't want it, and to give it to the next person and just to mention his name in the video. So Ramil, thank you for doing that. So whoever guesses in this video, you have twice the chance of winning because I'll be choosing two winners. And this is open to people in the US and international because it's just going to be a digital gift code. So there's no shipping cost associated with it. So it's really easy to get it to whoever wins. And I'll set the deadline for this on the release of the video. So if the video comes out on time, that would be the following Sunday from this video. Sunday morning, but I think I might actually be delayed, so you might have a couple more days. Just check the channel. If the video's not out yet, then you still have a chance to win. But yeah, have fun guessing the specs down below and discussing with each other why you think it is, and I will see you when the full build video releases.